Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a chocolate-covered strawberry tower full guide. Start by selecting ripe strawberries and melting high-quality chocolate over low heat. Prepare a sturdy cake board or styrofoam cone and line it with parchment or plastic wrap for hygiene. Arrange tools like skewers, trays, and a cooling rack within arm's reach to streamline dipping and assembly. Melt chocolate slowly and keep it glossy by stirring often and avoiding water contact. Dip strawberries at a slight angle and let excess drip before placing on parchment to set. For drizzles, thin a portion of chocolate with a little coconut oil or butter for smooth lines. Chill briefly between layers if needed, but avoid long refrigeration to preserve texture and shine. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation. I recently read a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that really simplifies money decisions and inspired my kitchen budgeting. It's a great companion for anyone who loves simple systems. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab it if you're curious. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble the base securely and test balance before adding many berries to prevent collapse. Place the largest, sturdiest strawberries on the lowest tier and stagger rows for strength. Use melted chocolate as edible glue to attach strawberries where needed and press gently to secure. Keep a steady rhythm when building so the tower stays uniform and attractive, and step back occasionally to check symmetry and overall shape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.